Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some driving. We're going to be going through Atlanta and probably going to cover some other areas as well. Let's go ahead, hop on the interstate, take a ride. Now, as you see, getting on the interstate, we do have traffic. What do you expect driving through Atlanta, right? So looks like we are having some construction done on the highway, and they have when you're getting on, they got the cones and whatnot. So it's going to definitely have traffic packed. Now, as you see, we do have the front and rear cameras, so we get to have footage from both ends of the spectrum. All right, you see we are back flowing again, which is very nice. That is a bright red pickup. Now, if you know anything about driving through the Atlanta traffic, some of these cars, when they pass you, you look down at your speed limit and say, well, am I doing the speed limit or what? Because the way they drive past you, yeah, it makes you think twice. Like, I know I'm doing the speed limit, but some of these people, man, they just be rolling. Like, they don't even think about a speed limit. They just press the pedal and go. So if you're not from the area, or if you're not used to driving in a lot of traffic, you stay to those right lanes because traffic will be rolling. Now, what's neat about this is that I was able to get some, of course, when the sun was out real nice, and also as the sun is starting to go down a little bit. So that's pretty neat. Once again, you see traffic is flowing on the side that I'm on, but if you check out the other side of the interstate, man, it is backing up. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Also, leave a comment what you think about the traffic, just as the traffic is flowing, the view. Leave us a comment. If you're wondering what kind of camera I'm using to record this footage, stay tuned to about the middle of the video. I'll leave some details about the camera that I'm using. If you're wondering what I use to record some of this footage, we are using the Mangoal dash cam. Very simple to hook up. You can receive a front and rear camera. Simple to install. Gives you a factory look with your vehicle. It does record in 4K. Does have a memory card, GPS, and many other features. Check the link below. Once again, leave a comment about your driving experience through Atlanta. Let me know what it was like. Also, the link is in the description below for the Mango dash cam that I am using. As you see, they do have road work going on all over. I mean, of course, a lot of traffic. Always have road work, but that's a one big reason that there is a lot of traffic just due to road work. Sometimes it's congested, but most of the time it's because they're working on the road. You got to shut down lanes, or you're trying to widen the road to get more traffic to come through, and there you go. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See the officers sitting in the middle. They see a lot of officers out. So we are headed to our next city. We are no longer in Atlanta. Thought I'd show you guys the cars that are passing by. As you see, first we have this red Corvette. Then you have the green Mercedes. Is that like a lime green? I'm not sure what year that Mercedes is, but it's definitely not a newer one. If you know the year, leave it down in the comment section below. But it looks like it runs pretty well. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in and watching the video. Hope you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will definitely be catching you on the next one.